Hi, are you planning for your first trip from aeroplane and don't know which option, domestic or international, you have to choose? And even don't know which documents you should carry with you while taking international trip or domestic trip? You will see mention of the terms domestic and international when it comes to setting up travel plans. So in this video, we will tell you the difference between international and domestic flight, an important document you should carry with you while you're traveling, and few tips and advice you should follow. So let's begin. What is domestic flight? A domestic flight is a flight that does not leave the borders of the country. Remember, does not leave the borders of the country. Both the departure and arrival cities are in the same country. What is international flight? International flight that takes off in one country and lands in another country. Remember, take off in one country and lands in another country. Departure and arrival cities both are different. Which documents do I need for domestic travel? For domestic travel within country, first of all, you should carry air ticket or boarding pass with you, and you need photo ID or driving license, or you can show passport also. Which documents do I need for international travel? First of all, you should carry air ticket or boarding pass, and for ID, only a passport is required for all international travel. Your passport is evidence that your country of residence is allowing you to leave. Getting on a plane is not like stepping on a bus or taxi. So have a look at some helpful tips and advice you should follow. First, remember the name on your boarding pass must match the name on your ID or passport. And the second, your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond the period of intended stay in a foreign country. And the third number is, you have to arrive at the airport at least 2 to 3 hours in advance for your flight. And fourth, in some situation, you may also need a visa in order to fly internationally. Depending on where you are going and how long you are staying, you may need to get visa approved before you leave. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.